Okay, now, don't shoot yet, son. Cornelius has just finished pumping up this thing. What kind of air rifle is this? This is Crosman 2100 Classic. It's a 177 caliber pellet or a BB repeater. We like using BBs because we don't like things coming back at us. Alright, he's going to aim at a poor defenseless little orange juice container way down there, and looks like he missed it. I heard it go as it hit the grass.